This is the Nhà Ngọc Hà House, a residential renovation project located in Ngọc Hà, a historic neighborhood in Hanoi, Vietnam. Originally built over 2 decades ago, the house was a 4-story structure that had become dark, damp, and largely overlooked within its urban fabric. What once appeared inward-looking and enclosed has been transformed into a carefully reimagined home with renewed spatial clarity and atmosphere. The brief given to Nguyen Khac Phuoc Architects was nuanced and deeply personal. The client sought an introspective retreat, a home that felt both relaxing and vibrant, refined yet grounded in the subtle character of old Hanoi. From the outset, the challenge was not only to modernize the structure but also to preserve its latent sense of place. In assessing the existing building, the design team observed a familiar condition: interior spaces isolated from their surroundings, with limited visual connection between floors and no meaningful dialogue between inside and outside. Walls and closed windows dominated, and the spatial flow was fragmented. The architects introduced a compositional idea centered around 3 arch spaces aligned toward the lake that the site overlooks, known locally as B52 Lake. By softening the boundaries between walls and ceilings, they created a continuous interior volume that flows from front to back. This approach dissolves traditional partitions and reorganizes the spatial hierarchy into a cohesive sequence. Rather than conventional furniture placement, interior elements and appliances are arranged using what the architects describe as a carving-forming method. In effect, spatial volumes are carved out as if from a sculptural mass, not merely filled in but shaped, revealing new relationships between voids and solids within the home. Materiality plays a quiet but significant role. The architects selected raw, tactile materials and executed their assembly with precision, balancing comfort with sophistication. Within this material palette, private and communal spaces share a visual harmony, yet each retains subtle individuality. A defining feature of the renovated house is its green space, which extends vertically through multiple levels. This tropical garden not only improves natural ventilation and light but also introduces a sensory connection to nature immediately upon entering, a contrast to the home's previously enclosed condition. Through these spatial and material interventions, Nhà Ngọc Hà House bridges its historical context with a contemporary way of living. It reflects a considered dialogue between past and present, an inward-looking residence that remains perceptively attuned to its urban and environmental context.